Live from the B&W Studios, Praise 102.5, Atlanta's Inspiration Station. What's going on, family? Nico hanging out with you. Now, of course, you know we love to make sure we take care of our community. Anytime we get like things that come across like this, we know we got to put you on. And on May 31st, a very special event is going to be happening, Walk with Passion 2025. And we couldn't talk about this amazing event benefiting the American Diabetes Association Step Out Walk. We brought to you Miss Ciarra McEachin, Executive Director of American Diabetes Association. Also, Miss Shay Norman, Community Engagement Manager, and Keon Davis of Smooth and Groove, who is also ADA local board member to the studio. What's going on, y'all? How y'all feeling?
Doing good.
Yeah, Good. Now, listen, on May 31st, this event is happening. It is benefiting the American Diabetes Association, Walk with Passion 2025. And Ciarra, talking to you,
Yes.
you made it very clear that we need to get a move on. All right, we need them to come out and walk, but right about now, I need them to walk to them computers, right?
So absolutely. Thank you, Nico. Let's start right
Let's
there.
start right there.
Absolutely.
Come on.
So Nico set me up real good. And so we need y'all to come out and register for this event. It is the first time in nearly 10 years that we have had a community-facing event in support of the diabetes community here in Atlanta. That is incredible. Mm-hmm. And so we've got amazing partners. We are providing hope. We are helping people learn how to manage their disease, how to prevent it. We're going to be working with their caregivers because nobody talks about that piece either. So you've got someone, a mom, a dad, or cousin, or whomever who is living with diabetes. How do you support them in this journey? And so what we need you to do is register for this walk. It is May 31st at Atlantic Station. Go to diabetes.org/step out Atlanta. Registration is free of charge, and I need y'all to sign up and come out and support your loved ones, yourself, your friends, and everybody who is living with diabetes.
I love that. If you're just joining us, we are speaking with the ADA crew. That's what I'm calling you. American Diabetes Association, of course, right there. That was Ciarra McEachin, the Executive Director of American Diabetes Association. Now, Shay Norman, you are community engagement. So you wrapped all up in with the people.
I am.
So why is it so important for the community to come out to something like this?
Well, first off, let me just make a little bit of a correction. I love being lumped in with my beautiful partners.
There you go. I know that's right.
However, I am community engagement and growth with Centerwell Senior Primary Care.
I know Centerwell.
You do?
Yeah. Okay. I see how this is working together. I see what y'all did.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. But it's really important for us to help to sponsor an amazing event like this because it is about awareness. We have so many people, like Ciarra said, dealing with diabetes, from our elders all the way down to our babies. And sometimes people are just a bit shy about, oh, this is my disease, this is my issue, this is my thing. So doing this and making it such a big push to get out in the community is great because the seniors that we serve, I was saying earlier, 1 and 2 have diabetes or have comorbidities, which is multiple chronic illnesses. So as a family, as individuals, we want to support initiatives like this. Again, this is the first one in 10 years. Yeah. So it's really huge. I love that you know Centerwell.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Yeah,
I do. I've been a couple times. Yeah.
Oh, you have?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Yep.
We do a lot of things at Centerwell. The whole move is value-based care. That is what Centerwell is versus the traditional model of care, really getting people in, getting people out 10, 15 minutes. You really don't have a care plan. You're really not focused in with a provider. Centerwell is much different. We're literally paid to keep people healthy and out of the hospital.
Love it.
So it is an amazing, amazing partnership with ADA.
I love that.
Let me just add on to that because I just feel like that was such a great piece. Diabetes is the most expensive chronic disease in the world. And so it is so important that people are managing their disease and that they know how to prevent it, treat it, and all of the things. Because I was saying to someone else, everybody knows somebody who has diabetes. 1 in 10 people are diagnosed with this. But because it's so common, we often think that we know what to do when the reality is we don't. You know, we think that we're just taking a pill and we're done with it. But a place like Centerwell is going to spend time with you and tell you how to manage it, how to prevent it, how to treat, just how to maintain a good quality of life in spite of. And that is what is so important.
I love that. And now, Keon, I know you, Smooth and Groove, owner of Smooth and Groove,
Yes,
correct?
sir. Yes, sir.
So I see how we went here. Centerwell's gonna make sure you're in and out and make sure you don't go in the hospital.
right.
And then you gonna make sure that they get these smoothies so they can stay healthy and fit, right?
Most definitely. So
Yeah.
for me, man, what I've always thought about and I've always heard, especially our people say, is that like everything is hereditary, right? These diseases are hereditary,
Yeah.
right? It's like that's not true. Your habits are hereditary.
Amen. Yep.
You know what I'm
yep,
saying?
Yep,
So when
yep.
you think about the habits that you grow up with and the way that you cook certain foods, the way that you eat certain things, the way that you're used to, the way that you grow up, then now when you get of a certain age, you have to break that habit, right?
Mm-hmm.
So for me, what we do is our biggest thing is just making healthy fun,
Yeah.
right? Making healthy taste good. Like that's the biggest thing when people think about health. It's like, bro, it just don't taste like anything,
Yeah.
right? It's like,
Yeah.
no, come holler at me. I got you, right?
yeah.
And I'm gonna make this taste healthy, but it's gonna taste good at the same time, right? So it's gonna be healthy and taste good. So for us, working with the ADA and Centerwell and all of these companies that have these people that never had an opportunity to just see something at a different level. Not only the food, the product, but see somebody that look like them as well that's doing something in that positive light as well. So that's what we do. We come in with these great partners, man, and we just try to take it home with them.
I love that. I love that. If you're just not joining us, we are speaking to American Diabetes Association. They're talking about the Walk with Passion 2025. Of course, Ciarra McCann, Executive Director of American Diabetes Association. I'm going to get this right. Shay Norman, Community Engagement Manager, Centerwell, Senior Primary Care.
There you go.
Yeah. And Mr. Keon Davis, Smooth and Groove, owner of Smooth and Groove, and also an 88 local board member. And this goes down May 31st. So we're going to end it like we started it to
That's
push these
right.
people to
Ooh,
register.
Nico, I like you.
You know what I'm saying?
I really do.
We're going to end it like we started.
Absolutely.
So let them know.
Okay, I'm gonna do it all over again.
Come on.
So I need y'all to register for this walk. We need a good head count. We need to make sure that we've got APD out there, everybody to take care of you guys. So you've got to register. And so you can go to diabetes.org/stepoutatlanta. It is going to be an incredible time. There is no cost to participate. Bring a friend, tell a friend, bring your family, bring everybody you know. It is going to be an amazing time.
That's right. Join us for a fun day celebrating patients, caregivers, and the fresh air. We're going to pray for good weather.
Yes.
Your fundraising contributes to diabetes research, advocacy, and education, and you lead the way in raising awareness about diabetes. And also, just a quick tip here. Make sure when you go to the website that you join the Radio 1 Atlanta team. You can go all the way to the bottom, and it's a red button. All right? You can't miss it. So if you want to walk with us, we pretty cool. You can walk with us. Come on out and do that on May 31st. Atlantic Station, ATL at 7:30 a.m. For more information, again, visit www.diabetes.org/stepoutatlanta. I just love y'all. I like how y'all did this. This is amazing. Walk with Passion 2025, the first in 10 years.
Yes.
Make sure y'all join us on May 31st. Keep it like right here, family. Much more is on the way. It's praise.